I just had to restore my computer since I just installed a few things, that's all. Bear with me one sec. We're just gonna do something, try to see if it's gonna work. You're gonna look for developer, just write down developer PowerShell. Should have it here, yeah. OBS code 20. Just close it again and just do it again, open it, but this time make sure that you run it as an administrator. Now, inside of here, we're gonna dive to our code. We're gonna do VS Code because we need just the builder, and the builder could be over there. We don't require to build it here. So let me just cd to the app itself. And then over here, we're gonna run the following: npx react native run dash window this another attempt. Let's see what's gonna happen this time. This is going a bit faster. So I'll make sure to run the code onto the CLI of development, because actually it should run over there, so it doesn't get confused between where it's running it. Over here it says it found solutions on the .sln. Now there is debugging. Also, each time that you're going to add a packet, restart your computer. If you don't restart the computer, the package would not take effect. So you may actually install the packages and get the same errors thinking that the cause is that, but maybe some of the cause it's actually the new update non taking effect. Now we reach the last parts before the crash again, maybe, or successful path. But more important, it needs to be run by a developer. That's what I have understood from the documentation. So nearly to the end. Right now, last stages. So just package connects an app. Okay. Says yeah. Dynamic rewriting. I think we have passed the stage of the error of earlier. Oh no, this is we still have the hosting. So red box handling, React instance settings, and React config injection. Let's just review the memory. If those two builds have consumed too much memory or not. No, actually, yes, 3 GB. Just the builder, because once the builder create the build, then you have actually to extract to the extension to the executable, which is actually another part. So it's like compiling on 3 arrays. First array would be the app which you have built with your style or your packages of React, and then you're gonna have the second build, which is like compiling that build into the Windows, and then from the Windows we will compile it back to executable. I hope it's making sense. Oh, it's like 3 types of compiling before reaching to the last stage. Right now we're just doing one, so don't think this is the last one. No, the last one would be when this is just to run, compile the build and to run it so we can see and modify as we are going. And then there's the final stage, which is production stage, which would be exporting it, exporting the project and making it an executable. think what happening is it's actually building solution, then testing them or evaluating them, and then actually evaluating the whole package back again after adding each one or after adding each part. That's why maybe the names will seem repetitive, like it keep repeating. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna leave it as this at the moment. I think I have an issue with this workstation, so I'll have to move it to the other workstation where I have the environment set. And then over there, we're gonna run a scratch project and then configure it and then we run it. So I'll see you in a bit.